1969, a year when the world felt like it was changing by the minute. Music was louder, bolder, and more unforgettable than ever. This was the summer of peace signs, muscle cars, bell-bottom jeans, and songs that refused to fade away. Today we're counting down the 12 biggest summer anthems of 1969. So, turn up the volume, let's begin. Number 12, Sugar, Sugar, the Archies.
Hit record! Sugar, sugar!
At number 12, we start with one of the sweetest surprises in pop music history. When Sugar Sugar hit radio in 1969, nobody expected a cartoon band to dominate the charts. That's right.
When I kissed you, girl, I knew how sweet a kiss could be.
The Archies weren't even a real touring band. They came straight from television, inspired by comic book characters. But listeners didn't care. The song's cheerful melody, candy-coated vocals, and irresistible chorus made it impossible to ignore. Sugar Sugar became one of the biggest pop singles of the year. More than 50 years later, one listen is all it takes to feel that summer sunshine again. Number 11, Crystal Blue, Persuasion, Tommy James. Some songs don't scream summer, they glide into it. Crystal Blue Persuasion had that magic. Released in the middle of 1969, the song brought a dreamy psychedelic calm that perfectly matched late-night drives and warm summer evenings. Its soft guitar tones, smooth rhythm, and hypnotic vocals created something unforgettable. Unlike many songs of the era that felt loud and rebellious, this one felt peaceful, almost spiritual, and that's exactly why audiences connected with it. It wasn't just a hit, it was a mood. Number 10, Honky Tonk Women, the Rolling Stones. Now, things get louder. A cowbell, a dirty guitar riff, and instantly, everybody knew who it was. The Rolling Stones had already built a reputation as rock's bad boys, but Honky Tonk Women took that swagger to another level. Released during the summer of '69, the song exploded across radios with attitude, confidence, and pure rock energy. This wasn't polished, this wasn't clean, this was raw rock and roll, and fans absolutely loved it. By the end of summer, it wasn't just a hit, it was a statement. Number 9, in the year 2525, Zager and Evans.
The year 2525.
At number 9, a song that sounded like it came from another planet. In the year 2525 was unlike anything else on the radio. While most summer hits focused on romance, dancing, or freedom, this song looked thousands of years into the future, and what it saw wasn't always pretty. Its haunting lyrics about technology, humanity, and survival felt both fascinating and unsettling.
If man is still alive.
Listeners were captivated, and somehow, a song about the distant future became one of the biggest songs of that summer. Even today, its message feels eerily relevant. Number 8, Get Back, the Beatles. When the Beatles released Get Back, the world stopped listening to everything else. This was the Beatles stripped down. No heavy studio tricks, no psychedelic experiments, just raw musicianship, and it worked brilliantly. The piano, the guitar, that unforgettable groove. Get Back sounded alive. It sounded immediate, and in the summer of 1969, it sounded absolutely perfect. Crowds sang it, radio DJs played it non-stop, and it quickly became one of the defining songs of the year. Number 7, Bad Moon Rising, Creedence Clearwater Revival. At first, Bad Moon Rising sounds upbeat, even cheerful. But listen closely, and you'll realize the lyrics tell a very different story. Storms, chaos, trouble on the horizon. That contrast made the song unforgettable. Creedence Clearwater Revival had discovered something special. Dark storytelling, wrapped inside a catchy sing-along, and audiences couldn't get enough. By summer's end, it was everywhere. Drive-ins, pool parties, jukeboxes, and late-night radio. Number 6. Sweet Caroline, Neil Diamond. Some songs don't just become hits, they become traditions, and Sweet Caroline may be one of the greatest examples ever. When Neil Diamond released it in 1969, nobody could have predicted what would happen. The melody was simple. The lyrics were heartfelt, and the chorus absolutely unforgettable. Within weeks, crowds everywhere were singing along. And decades later, they still are. And millions of voices. That's real music history. Number 5, Aquarius, Let the Sunshine In, the Fifth Dimension. If any song captured the spirit of 1969, it might be this one. Aquarius / Let the Sunshine In wasn't just music, it was a movement. Peace, love, hope, harmony, everything the late 60s stood for was packed into this unforgettable medley. The harmonies were powerful. The message was uplifting, and the energy felt unstoppable. This wasn't background music, this was the soundtrack of a generation. 4. Everyday People, Sly and the Family. Stone at number 4, a song with a message the world still needs today. Everyday people, simple words, powerful meaning. Sly and the Family Stone created something far bigger than a hit single. They created an anthem for equality, an anthem for unity, and an anthem for humanity. Its groove made you dance, its lyrics made you think, and together, that combination made history. Number 3, Proud Mary, Creedence Clearwater. Revival, Creedence returns, and this time, with one of the greatest rock songs ever recorded, Proud Mary. From its gentle opening to its explosive chorus, this song builds like a journey down a river. John Fogerty's voice, the guitars, the storytelling, everything felt perfect. And by the summer of '69, Proud Mary had become impossible to escape. Not that anyone wanted to. Number 2, Suspicious Minds, Elvis Presley. By 1969, some critics thought Elvis was fading. Then, he released Suspicious Minds. And everything changed. This wasn't nostalgia, this wasn't a comeback attempt. This was greatness. The vocals were emotional, the arrangement was dramatic, and Elvis sounded hungrier than ever. Fans went wild, critics were silenced, and the king reclaimed his throne. Number 1, Come Together, the Beatles. And finally, Come Together. Number 1, a bass line, a whisper, and instantly, music history. Come Together wasn't just a song. It was an experience, mysterious, cool, confident, and completely unforgettable. The Beatles were already legends, but with this song, they reminded the world exactly why. More than half a century later, it still sounds fresh, still sounds powerful, and still defines what great music feels like. That's why Come Together is our number 1 summer anthem of 1969. So, there it is, the 12 biggest summer anthems of 1969, from bubblegum pop to psychedelic dreams to rock legends and timeless sing-alongs. This wasn't just a summer, it was a musical revolution. Now, we want to hear from you. Which song takes you straight back to 1969? Did your favorite make the list? Or did we miss a classic? Drop your memories in the comments below. And if you love retro music, classic countdowns, and forgotten gems from music history, subscribe to Tune in Time, because the next journey through music history is just beginning. And until next time, keep the vinyl spinning.